In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3, and let me show you how to enter and use test mode on this device. So if you want to check your device, if you have some issues with it, just open your phone dialer and check if it's working properly. So to enter the test mode, you need to enter super short code and also easy to remember. It is *pound O *pound. And now we are in test mode. So as you can see, it's pretty simple because all you need to do is to pick the gadget that you would like to test, for example, receiver, mark it, and now check if it's working properly. As we all can hear, it is working properly. Then if you want to check the speaker, just mark it. So it's definitely working properly. We can also make a checkup of speaker 1. Then let's check if vibration is working properly. I don't know if you can hear it, however I can both hear it and feel it. It's working properly. Then we can also check the screen, so just pick the color and find if it's the proper color. If you will pick black, you need to close it by using power button. But red is working as those at the top of the list. So this is it. Just if you click on the version, you will be able to check your firmware version. And this is it. This is how you can enter and use test mode on your phone. Let me just close it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up.